Look at it. It's raining. We were planning to go eat ice cream, but I don't know now.
Overall, the shed cold though.
Man, this looks so cute. The shirt is so big on him. Izu, क्या हुआ अंदर? मुझे हाथ दिखाओ क्या हुआ है?
Let's wait in the waiting hall.
दिखाओ मुझे. हाथ दिखाओ हाथ. Oh, look at his hand. Ready ला दो. So I'm having some gopi and rice, some cauliflower curry and rice, and I'm just gonna edit. Whoa, I look so hilarious here. Ignore the face, so I'm just gonna edit. मैं अंजलि की तरह लग रही हूँ. This is what happens when you have baby hairs. My hair looks so straight from outside, but you don't know the insides of my hair are super curly.
Mommy, so
Mommy, कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग?
free makeup.
Free makeup? There is no free makeup.
Free makeup. Free makeup.
So we're first gonna go Toys R Us, and then I'm gonna go get my nails done, and then we have to get some outfits for the children. Oh, careful!
Careful.
You better vlog this time, because I winged your eyeliner today. Man, your hair looks so good, man. It does, I'm not joking. Hey, sir. My God. Jitne bachche? Never have kids. Man, ye chuchu rakh lo andar. Maybe that's why it's annoying us. Toy lenge toy. My Husna baby is so cute. Oh, so cute. Oh, kahan ja rahe? It's not even cheese. Lately, I'm so impatient. I can't even wait for like signals on the road and lifts. Just can't wait for them.
Doggy.
Finally, the lift is here.
कौन दबाएगा बटन?
You annoying piece of baby.
Okay.
What's not me, my baby? Flying kiss bill. I seriously hate Hong Kong's weather. My sister was just looking out the window. She's like, "Oh, it's sunny and everything is dry now, but it's raining again." It looks like the weather is about to get really bad. Like, ooh.
Oh shit.
It looks like it's gonna get real bad, but then after a while it's like the weather is gonna be like, yeah, I tricked ya, I'm sunny again. Just gonna sit right here and wait for the rain to stop. See? Now it stopped.
See?
Just rains for 1 second. No, no, no! Oh well. That's the Stacy style, man.
3 homeless.
You're one of them too.
Oh, oh, oh.
This is getting old. Find a new finger. Yeah, we'll let her snap there. Well, my hair grew up pretty long. Kind of want them short, but sometimes I really want them long again. Actually, the foundation that I was talking about in my previous vlog, I feel like it's pretty good for like an everyday, day-to-day foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation in shade Honey, I guess. And I kind of like it now. It's not that bad. I think it was the heat that day that, you know, got to my face and my face started burning. But now it looks good. And the highlight is from Carly Bible palette. Ah, damn this rain. We're gonna go to Toys R Us and get them toys. She's still snapping something at the rain. Oh. क्या हो रहा है? बारिश हो रही है? हाँ? Husna? क्या हुआ? Bird. OMG, there's birds' nests. Like there's a lot of birds that made their nest there. Ilu, आप देखो bird nest होंगे ऊपर. Hey, there's birds flying from there. Can you hear the birds? I think ऊपर nest बनाया हुआ है उन्होंने. The rain is getting heavier and heavier. Oh, I can't believe how long my hair has gotten. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Husna. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Huh? Makeup nail. Like my glasses, I need to get them changed. Like these are like so loose now. Like I don't know if you can see. Like it just is bigger than my face right now. So they don't stay on my face. Plus, I don't know if you notice when I'm wearing my glasses, they kinda are like not straight. Kinda annoys me, but I don't have any other glasses to wear. G? It's still raining, baby. So I think we're gonna shorten our trip outside today. So we're just gonna go to Toys R Us and then we'll go to get my nails done because I really need to get them done. But I don't know what to get, which color to get this time. Because I rarely get my nails done and like I always want to get some unique designs. But this time I want to go for like a white and nude ombre kind of situation on my nails. But then because us Desi people, we eat Desi food, which is pretty oily and has a lot of like turmeric in it. it stains or like it stains the nails easily, so I want something that would last long. Huh? Yeah, my son is busy talking to the water puddle over there. This was Husna last time and they don't even play with it. Huh? Black also? I mean the clothes. Oh. Okay, why would you put a button? Oh, it's the necklace. It's good? That's so funny. It's like they look like Maggi noodles. Oh, makeup देखो. Makeup? Now we're searching for makeup. I'll tell you guys one thing. My sister is super creepy. Wherever we go, she'll find a teddy bear and hold it till we're like out of the shop. And she'll talk to it. Came back from a trip to Mongkok. We went to grab some spaghetti from Paisanos, and then I went to Forever 21 and bought two things. It's just something I just liked. Wasn't planning on getting something. I just went there to look for an outfit for a video that I was planning to do. I hope it turns out good, whatever I'm planning. So let me show you the stuff that I got. That I got from Forever 21. These were 10% off, and the original price was $2.19. So these are super comfortable. Like I wore them there, and they looked like, never mind that. I was like walking in them in the store, and they were so comfortable. Like Hong Kong is a place where you can't walk in heels, but this, I feel like I can walk in these heels in Hong Kong. And these, like, they have some sort of padding in these, and they are like super, like, can you see that? It's super soft and comforting to my foot. So yeah, these are super pretty. Next thing I got is this, just a button-up shirt. I really like yellow. I don't know why. I've been liking yellow a lot. It has a pocket.
She also has a yellow bag.
Or the yellow outfit in my 2 videos before. Kind of like that outfit a lot, and I want to get something yellow all the time. I don't know what's the issue. Yep, she's going back to her Aladdin style. I'm gonna end my Saturday vlog right here and maybe film something tomorrow or the day after when I'm doing my nails or doing something interesting for you guys. You gotta let me know what to film because I find myself really boring. And yeah, what else? So I'm gonna end. Most props, I'm gonna sleep, and that's about it. See you guys tomorrow or the day after.